Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EMEET Bluetooth speakerphone here. It's the M3 conference speaker system with 360-degree microphones, voice pickup, oh yeah, in real time. It's possible to use a daisy chain for it for more devices like this to make a bigger voice chat. That's cool, because it comes with an upgraded voice pickup. The EMEET OfficeCore M3 Bluetooth speakerphone is required and equipped with a VoiceIA exclusive technology and 4 smart omnidirectional microphones. We can talk easily without leaving the seat within the conference speaker's voice pickup range. The Bluetooth speakers with the microphone's intelligent voice algorithm ensure that the noise is eliminated, echoes are suppressed, and the speaker can be heard better. This making communications more efficient. And we have an optimized, clear sound and volume. Oh yeah. The EMEET OfficeCore M3 conference microphone can automatically balance the volume in scenarios with 20 attendees. The Bluetooth conference speakers with microphone can be heard clearly from close or far away. The built-in 5-watt high-performance speaker can restore the sound in high quality. And wider using scopes. The M3 conference speakers ensures a stable connection with 2 systems, with Windows and Mac OS, for example, and multiple e-meeting software like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype for Business, Google Hangouts, GoToMeeting, BlueJeans, WebEx, etc. And of course, you can dock it with your smartphone, with your tablet, with Android system or iOS system too. No problem for it. You can see it in that video here. And we have a perfect battery performance. The built-in super performance battery makes this conference speaker with a super long term of calling over 18 hours after 4 hours fully charged. We will never confirm about the conference speaker and the microphones being interrupted due to lack of the power. That's really cool. Of course, to dock 2 of the EMEETs, you will need a daisy chain cable for it. This is sold separately, because if you go alone with that, this is for a big bunch of possibilities. But if you double these possibilities, you will need a daisy chain. The OfficeCore M3 Bluetooth speakerphone empower our hybrid meeting with 4x 360 degrees mics array, 5-watt speaker, noise reduction, echo cancellation, 3 connect methods, daisy chain if possible. It's plug and play, and we have universal compatibility. The EMEET OfficeCore M3 conference speaker has been rewarded with the 2022 Red Dot. The Red Dot Design Award is one of the world's largest design competitions, which marks the M3 conference speaker's quality for a good design. And the speakerphones, for a laptop for example, is built in a super performance battery. After being fully charged with only 4 hours, the conference microphone will support a long-term calling over 18 hours. That means you can call, and you can call. And there isn't worry of power shortage at all within 1 business day, of course. But the big thing here is the noise reduction. The conference room speaker and the microphone updated itself in EMEET's active voice IA technology, which can reduce the noise, for example, keyboard, the air conditioner in the background, chair sounds as well, whenever and wherever we are working on it. And we can make an echo cancellation. These M3 speakerphones can work to cancel the echoes to improve calling quality. Some poor conference microphone will mistakenly pick up the listening side's voice and then their own voices back to themselves. This is called the echo. And here it comes, echo cancellation, job's done, baby. And the conference microphone is built in with EMEET's exclusive VoiceIA algorithm. Oh yeah. And the upgraded AGC technology. This entering the volume get automatically balanced to matter the Bluetooth speaker with the microphone is far or it's close. And if we like to use a daisy chain for really large meetings. When we use it alone, the laptop speakers with microphone can hold 6 up to 12 attenders. That's a lot, I think. However, by using the EMEET's daisy chain, the scale will be enlarged to 20 people. That's awesome. Exclusive for the EMEET daisy chain, of course. It's small or it's large. The USB speakerphone's meeting scale is under our control. And we have 5-watt strong speaker. High grade, baby. The laptop speakers with the microphone is equipped with a 5-watt speaker. That's why the conference speaker and the microphone perform perfect in playing sounds. Also, the Bluetooth speakerphone enjoys 10 volumes for our voice and our choice. And optimized duplex communication. The computer speaker with the microphone allows the multiple speakers to communicate simultaneously, and both calling ends can get their best call sound. We have 10 sound volumes for choose. The speakers with the microphone has 10 volumes. Altogether, there are meetings in any scale. The Bluetooth LED light will tell us the current volume. Whatever personal or group use, there is always an appropriated volume choice. And we have a mute for protecting privacy. Mute the conference microphone with only one click. Just protect our privacy in a second. The red light will indicate that the voice is interdicted now and it cannot be sent to the other side if it is mute. Secret talking and secret leaking does not exist when working with the speakerphone for conference calls. And human voice localization. The conference room speakers easily localize when whoever is speaking on the meeting. The green LED light is showing the voice source obviously. The laptop speakers with microphone will save our time from looking for the speakers where they are, because this speaker make it by its own. It's awesome for every industry's needs, business, healthcare, or education, or government too. You can use it where you will like it. We have 4 smart microphones, 360 degrees voice pickup. We have noise cancellation, echo reduction, human voice amplification, and full duplex. 2 5-watt speakers with the daisy chain, with another M3 for 10 up to 12 up to 20 people are possible. The daisy chain with e-meeting capsule, and 18 hours of talk time. We have 3 connection methods: dongle, Bluetooth, or USB connection. And the e-meeting link. It's changed the DOA, upgrades firmware, and adjusts other operations if we like. This is the EMEET M3 conference speaker. These are Bluetooth speakerphones with 4 AI mics and 360 degrees voice pickup. 18-hour talk time, daisy chain if you like, for 20 people. It's noise cancellation, echo reduction, full duplex, and conference microphone. One of the best on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.